Technology is impacting retail in more ways than we've ever seen before. So rather than looking at our business as multiple channels, it's really interconnected retail and how we combine all those different channels into a singular experience for the customer. It's a pretty cool way to look at what we're doing here at Home Depot.
We always say we're not building technology for technology's sake. You know, the focus is on making that retail experience better and how we can do that through technology.
The applications that we build at Home Depot are built with customer service in mind to improve the overall shopping experience.
Today's consumers are more empowered than any point ever in history. People using their devices, using the website, we're on the front lines of seeing that change play out.
Regardless of what your title or your position is, there is a huge culture of recognition. Hard work, innovation, creativity is recognized. We really foster that environment, that empowers people.
It's been very interesting to try to create new experiences that keep those people engaged with the brand and create new ways to help them kind of solve their problems and find what they need. There's no right or wrong. We're all trying to figure out where it goes next, and it's fun trying to figure that out.
The mobile team in particular are really doing some innovative work, building great apps, great mobile web experiences, great experiences for the iPad and other tablets, and it's really exciting to see that work playing out.
And when it comes down to what we contribute to the group, no one ever feels like they're boxed in by a specific role. A developer can offer suggestions on design, can offer suggestions in how a feature works. And when everyone's thinking like that, it makes it real easy to ideate and put together some great products for our customers.
Everything that you build, whether it's code or whether it's process, you're going to see a result because the customer cares about shopping at Home Depot.
There's always going to be great opportunities to learn and to continue to hone those skills.
It's just a positive atmosphere and spirit. You cannot underestimate how great it is to be with people that you think are really smart, really innovative, and you really like and get along with. That's something that really makes the Home Depot great.
The 100,000 Jobs mission is a program to actually change the way the firm recruits, hires, and takes care of veterans within the organization. It started as an idea to help veterans.
I'm a United States Marine Corps veteran.
I was in the 41st Fires Brigade.
I was an aircraft engine mechanic.
As it began to move forward, instead of keeping it a JPMorgan Chase secret, they went out to a wide variety of organizations, invited, even challenged everybody to come forward and to do as much as they could. Because when we talk about veterans, we're actually talking about this pool of extraordinary talent with extraordinary experience.
Integrity, honor, trust.
Leadership is in our DNA.
They've been used to having a sense of worth that people depend upon me.
Across the 122 corporations that have committed, we've now re-upped and are actually going to get to 200,000 jobs by 2020.
Leaving the service, you hope that people appreciate what you've done to sacrifice for this country, and JPMorgan opened their arms to allow me to work here. It has been more rewarding than I would have ever imagined.
Current soldiers looking to transition into a civilian career have a huge opportunity ahead of them. There's expected to be about 20 billion connected devices to the internet. By 2020, that's going to go to 50 billion devices. And the market needs more and more talent to come and support all these systems that are going to be working in a connected world. I think the Networking Academy program gives soldiers not only the academics behind the technology, but it also gives them an environment that they can work with experienced people in the industry, as well as get hands-on experience so that they can hit the ground running.
My name is Clint Abrams. I served in the United States Army as a staff sergeant. When I separated from the military, I had no clue I would have ever ended up in the IT field. The biggest obstacle that I faced was trying to find a civilian equivalent to my military occupational specialty. I was introduced to the Cisco Networking Academy as part of an elective class through the Information Security Certificate training program that I was taking at Fayetteville Technical Community College. I have been able to make full use of the post 9/11 GI Bill to pay for all my college classes 100%.
As a hiring manager, I put a good deal of emphasis on industry certifications, but I look at three areas for anybody that I'm looking to bring onto the workforce. One is going to be, their aptitude to be able to do the job. The second one is the level of education that they have, and the third is going to be the level of experience. And I think it's a combination of those three elements that I look for in staffing, veterans into roles within Cisco.
The biggest benefit of the Cisco Networking Academy has been the strong foundation that they gave me with my networking skills, which allowed me to take that and build upon it to become the engineer that I am today. I've been working in the Cisco TAC for almost 11 months, and my role is a customer support engineer for the wireless TAC. In addition to the coursework for the Networking Academy, I participated in the Cisco Net Writers competition, which is a nationally based competition where you participate in written examinations, online simulation type questions, much like the certification test that you would be taking in the industry. I also participated in the Cisco Live 2012 Dream Team competition, where I was selected as one of 10 people across the United States and Canada to go to the conference and work with the Cisco TAC engineers to maintain, build, and troubleshoot their wireless network. As a veteran who is about to separate, or if you have recently separated from the military, I strongly suggest the Cisco Networking Academy for you. The curriculum is easy to understand. It's tested by fire. The Networking Academy prepared me for my job here at Cisco by giving me a very strong foundation of knowledge of how networking works.
Living an active lifestyle like I do, it's so important that I stay hydrated. It's so important that when I'm outside, I've got clean water to drink. Purity's been awesome. Purity has helped me go wherever and know that I will always have that clean water, and I can continually find new places, discover new trails. The Purity filtration system is really easy to use. Whether it's in your backpack or on your bike, just find any source of water, unscrew the lid, fill it up, and it's ready to go. I don't have to worry about any parasites. I don't have to worry about any contamination. It works. I love being outside. I need to be able to go out and mountain bike. I don't have to worry about running out of water or cutting a beautiful experience short because I'm out of water. Purity really helps me to just have that confidence to keep exploring, keep living.
Hi, this is Tim. I'd like to give you a little bit of my background so you can understand how I acquired the unique knowledge I have. My professional life began in the military. I'll read to you straight from one of my evaluations, my job description. Explosive Ordnance Disposal Technician Parachutist. Duties include detection, identification, render safe, recovery, and disposal of all U.S. and foreign nuclear, chemical, and conventional munitions, including terrorist devices. Also performs associated diving and demolition tasks. Further down it reads, assisted in the planning and safe execution of more than 200 EOD, which stands for Explosive Ordnance Disposal, diving missions, including underwater demolition and mixed gas decompression dives as deep as 180 feet in support of Joint Task Force Middle East operations. If you look at the date on that evaluation, it was 1 month prior to me joining a network marketing business. I worked part-time for 2 years and then full-time for 3. In that 5-year time frame, I built a business that did $25 million and as much as $150,000 per month of income from my humble home. I retired from actively building and wrote and directed the production of Brilliant Compensation, which is a video that describes network marketing in a non-hype, factual way, but didn't promote any specific company. At the time, I had no idea what that video would unleash. To me, it was simply what I'd explained to people who were looking at my business. Regardless, it has become the standard explanation the network marketing industry uses. My next step was to improve the professionalism of all distributors in the industry by creating Professional Inviter and Presenter, which got me noticed as a trainer. I was invited and taught a network marketing certificate course with Professor Charles King at the University of Illinois at Chicago. I was also interviewed by the legendary Larry King on distinguishing the difference between MLM, pyramids, and Ponzi schemes.
A few months ago, there was a guy in my house named Tim Sales. We talked a lot about a lot of things, and I got fascinated with this whole MLM industry. I'll talk to him all about it. So, ladies and gentlemen, Tim Sales, come on out.
So I was basically traveling the world, training hundreds of organizations and advising companies on training techniques, building strategies, and how to handle the media. This gave me a perspective on network marketing companies that I don't think anyone else in the world has. To say that I've been asked to look at a few businesses is an understatement. I've not just been offered to join, but have been offered millions to put my name on a company. I never said yes until now, and they paid me nothing to join. You too are being asked to look at this information. You can look at it 2 ways. One is someone is trying to rope you into something. The other way to look at it is because someone, his name was Rick Mayo, showed this to me, I'm thousands of friends richer, I'm millions of dollars richer, and I used part of that money to get over 1 million children off of harmful drugs. I love and admire Rick Mayo for showing me how little old me could do something great in my life. Hi, I'm Tim Sales, and this is my wife, Laura. Since joining Ariix, I've been asked many times why I came out of retirement. That's interesting to me. I've not really been in retirement. I've been working very hard helping the entire network marketing industry. I first created the video Brilliant Compensation to help distributors in all network marketing companies present the industry in a professional way without hype. Professional Inviter and Presenter help to teach distributors how to talk to prospects. I also did an interview with Larry King to help educate the media about the industry. And I've been involved in other things like teaching network marketing at the university level. So I've not been kicking back on a yacht somewhere retired.
If there's anyone on the inside with what Tim is doing, it's me. I've watched Tim do whatever it takes both day and night to ensure each person who participates in Ariix has the best opportunity and training to grow their business. I have never seen Tim so driven, focused, and excited.
My decision to enter back into building an organization had much to do with me desiring to create the ideal MLM business that will cause the industry to change for the better. By ideal, I mean a company that treats their representatives like partners, a company that delivers products and services that absolutely make people's lives better, a company with a compensation plan that truly rewards productive people and those who get customers, and finally the training and marketing campaigns that produce a successful representative. I talked with the owners of Ariix and saw what their ideas were and what they envisioned for the future. Honestly, I couldn't imagine a better vision. They too want to create an ideal MLM company. In fact, they've brought several ideas to the table I hadn't thought possible on how they as a company treat their leaders and representatives, as well as what products and services they would offer. I could not be more impressed with the company.
If you've studied Tim and his work, then you know that what he feels is most needed in the network marketing industry is real training. So if you join us, you will be getting Tim's unique training specifically made for Ariix reps.
So if you're that rare, elite individual that doesn't need everything perfect on day one, yet loves the challenge of growing something big and being a part of forming and shaping the company that later earns you huge rewards for doing so, then I advise you not to hesitate. True opportunity does not go away. It goes to those who can see it. I obviously believe Ariix will be one of the giant companies in network marketing. That's why I'm here. So whether you join us now or later, I look forward to working with you. And as you know, I'm a believer in the network marketing industry, and so I wish you well in any of your chosen endeavors. We're Tim and Laura Sales.